Welcome back to Knowledge is Kings, guys. I am Kings, and it is time for our 1,000 subscriber giveaway drawing. So I have here in this box all the little, all the people who commented on the 1,000 subscriber giveaway video. So that's what I'm going to be drawing now. And I'm going to be drawing 2 names to win $50, and I might draw a couple extra for $10. I'm feeling generous. All right. I better not look. And the first one is CK Steven 76. And the second one is King Loco 109. I think it LOKO 109. I'll put it on the screen. All right. So CK Steven 76 and King Loco 109 will each get a $50 Amazon gift card. You have to send me in the comments, put your email address, because that's where the gift card will get sent. I'll probably give you a week to get that sent to me. All right. I'll draw 2 more names, each for $10 for Amazon. Kim T. Striker. Kim T. Striker. One more. And, hey, got a bunch of them are stuck together there. And Roger B. So I'll put those on the name. So CK Steven 76, King Loco 109, they'll be for the $50 gift card for Amazon, and Kim T. Striker and Roger B. will each get $10 from Amazon. And you need to send me in the comments again your email address, because that's where it'll go to. And that's really all I had for this video. Thanks for everyone who watched that last video and continues to watch all of my videos. And make sure to hit that bell on my videos, because we'll be doing more giveaways as the channel gets bigger, and I'll give away random things as we go as well. Thank you for watching, and thank everyone for all your support, and we'll see you in the next one. Oh, and have a Merry Christmas.